Hello guys, this is my second video. Sa ngayon, hindi muna ako nag-vlog sa labas kasi maraming tao. But today, I'll be giving you ways to get richer in your 20s or even as a student. Kahit estudyante ka, pwede ka maging mayaman or magkapera. So number one, we have digital savings account. So what are digital savings account? These are digital banks na nagbibigay ng 3% pataas na interest per annum. So wag nyo ilagay yung mga pera nyo sa mga banks na walang interest or kahit isang piso di bibigyan ng isang piso na interest. Kasi on each year, our money it's getting cheaper ganun. The value of our money is getting cheaper every year. So I recommend number 1, Dual Time Bank, and number 2, Maribank or C-Bank. Cause these banks they give you 3.75%, around 3.75 sorry, per annum. So ayun, number 2, we have investing in companies like stocks. Investing in stocks is investing in companies. Why? Because if you'll buy a stock, you're buying shares of the company. It's like being a part-time owner of your company. Like Jollibee, you can be a part owner of Jollibee by buying Jollibee stocks. Number 2, crypto. There's also crypto. You can buy Bitcoin for the half the price or ganun. And these are actually guys, these are all high risk, high reward. You can win 1,000,000 pesos but you can also lose 1,000,000 pesos. So, yan. It's up to you if you'll take the risk or lose the chance. So number 3 here we have businesses. Food businesses is very competitive, you know. But you know what I like in food businesses? Kasi tao tayo guys. Kailangan natin ng pagkain. And number 2, here we have farm businesses. So yung farm business, hindi lang yan sa prutas or ganun, pero pwede yan sa poultry, sa mga manok, poultry, sa mga meat, sa mga seafoods, ganun. It's up to you. And always remember, before doing business, do your research kung saan kayo magbi-business, ano yung lugar nyo, kung ano yung competition nyo, ganun. Do some business cause it's very risky if di mo alam kung wala ka ng research, ganun. Number 3, I recommend is laundry shops. So in number 3, laundry shops. Personally like this cause madaming area sa amin na nagtutukod ng boarding house, ganun. Naggagawa ng mga condo, mga nagpapaupahan. So laundry shops is very unique for me because it's very let's say parang it makes life easier. Pero syempre may bayad naman. Kaysa naman sa ikaw maglalaban ng sarili mo, di ba? Madami yan. It's up to you guys. And last but not the least is investing in yourself. Ito yung pinaka-importante para sa akin. You won't get rich if you don't invest in yourself. Here are tips. Read books about money. Number 1 on this list. Why do I recommend reading books in money? Actually guys, hindi ako maging ganito if di ako nagbasa ng mga libro. I'll give you books that I recommend to buy books. Number 1 is Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill. Yan. Read that guys. Buy some books. Search sa Shopee or TikTok shop. Makukuha nyo yan. Number 2, create a positive hobby. Guys, everything starts when you wake up. Tanong ko sa inyo guys, the first thing that you do when you wake up, what is it? You say, brush, eat. No. The first thing you do when you wake up is cleaning your bed. That's the first thing. It starts in your bed. Your room defines you. You know, create positive hobby every day, mag-jogging ka. You know. Pero ang di alam ng mga tao is it takes 5 to 7 days para ma-motivate lang yung tao. Pero if mapass mo yan, maging day 8 ka na, wala ka ng motivation, you have to endure it in order to become your hobby. Number 3, master your emotions. Damn, master your emotions guys. Kasi ako dati, nag-invest ako sa crypto, tsaka if magkapera ko, manalo ako sa pag-invest sa crypto, kinakash out ko agad para bumili ng skins sa mga mobile games. And for what? Self-gratitude? Oo, pero how long does it last? Don't sacrifice your long-term vision for your short-term gratitudes. That's why you don't make your emotions dictate your decision makings. Master your emotions guys. Importante talaga yan. Hindi ka talaga sa 1, 2, and 3, hindi ka talaga magiging successful dyan if wala kang mindset. You don't invest